Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Gemini app as a chatbot replacement for ChatGPT. So if you want AI chat features but don't want to use ChatGPT, Gemini can do much of the same. Now first of all, download the Gemini app from the App Store. Make sure it is the latest version. Launch the app and sign in with your Google account. After that, tap the chat box at the bottom and type your question, idea, or prompt just like you would in ChatGPT. Let's say write a caption for post about travel and just send it, and Gemini will give you caption idea, a lot of caption ideas. They will give you short and sweet, a bit more descriptive question prompts for specific type of trip, and there you go. Or what you can also do is tap the mic to input and tap the plus button and tap the camera button to upload an image and ask Gemini to describe or analyze it. Use the copy session button to move result into notes, email, or special apps. You can ask Gemini to answer shorter, make the answer shorter or longer, and then it will do that too, or more casual, refining your prompt. And that's it. Safety tip: don't paste sensitive personal or financial info. Gemini processes chats on the Google servers. Quick fix: if Gemini does not respond well, rephrase your prompt to more specific. Instead of write me a script, try me a 1 minute tutorial. Write me a 1 minute tutorial script for YouTube on fixing Gmail login errors. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick